Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn on post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So as you guys can see, I did another makeup look today. It is a lot different from what I usually do. I never really do like a glossy wet look, but I wanted to try it today to show you guys. I'm calling this look the chocolatey dream look. So pretty much I just did full brown lid, full brown crease, everything brown to get the chocolate effect, and I put gloss over it. If you want to see this video and if you want to try to achieve this look, stay tuned for the rest of it and give this video a thumbs up right now and go support, go show your girl some love and hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, so my face is already done, so I'm just going to strictly show you guys how to do my eyes. So I'm going to achieve the chocolatey brown look using this Morphe palette. I'm gonna try to stick with just this palette. I always tend to go off and like mix my colors and use two palettes, but this is one of my favorite palettes. I love these colors. It's brown, orange, all of those shades, and if you know me, I am always wearing brown or orange on my eyes. That's like one of my favorite go-to looks. So it's pretty much an everyday look for me, but I'm gonna kind of like spice it up a little today and put the gloss over it. we're pretty much done blending. This eye is irking me. It like won't blend correctly. It's not budging. Whatever. I know everyone has those makeup days where it's just not cooperating with you. And of course, today I want to film and show you guys a look. We don't cooperate with me, but that's life. So we're gonna move on and we're gonna go with the flow. So next I'm using the LA Colors High Shine Gloss. Pretty much I'm gonna take this and I'm going to dab it all over my eyelid. Okay guys, so I just put my lashes on and this was the final look. I'm just going to put some liner in the crease so it kind of looks more natural. Okay, so I just put the liner in the corner of my eyes so it looks more natural. And then next I'm going to put some highlight on my brow bone and on the cornea of my eye. And then I gotta do the rest of my face highlighted. This is pretty much the look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go click that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. And stay tuned for more videos I have coming.